case study means it's the most important part of BFM. Calculation of CRAR, tier 1, tier 2. Okay. So follow this completely.
Good evening, friends.
We are
Welcome
in
to
the
Adda
60 plus CIB
24/7.
series. In this series,
Today
we are
we'll be
targeting
doing
all the important
a
case studies, problems where we can cover 60 plus marks in BFM. Okay, let's start. Yeah. Firstly, download Adda 24/7 on your mobile. In this app, you'll once you download it, you'll be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, live video lectures, notes, test, everything is there. Okay, download it immediately. Also subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting all the updates for JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams. Also the free series which is going on, it's there on Officers Adda 24/7 channel. Okay. These are the two batches of BFM and retail. Okay, BFM is presently going on, so it's on the verge of closure now. But then also you can avail it. Even if you avail it now, you can go through the videos and you can clear the case studies. And retail batch is starting from December 5th. Okay, more on this later. Okay, now coming back to the topic, see this. The topic for today is the calculation of CRAR, risk weighted asset and ideal CRAR. See this. The bank has computed its tier 1 capital as rupees 1000 crores, tier 2 capital as 1200 crores. Risk weighted asset for credit risk is 15,000 crores. Capital charge for market risk is 600 crores. Capital charge for operational risk is 400 crores. Calculate CRAR, total RWA and ideal RWA. Okay, got it? This is the question. Now the point over here is, first you need to understand certain points over here. What are the important points? One is, what do you mean by this capital? What do you mean by this RWA? Okay, see this capital over here means, I'll just write it in one line over here. See here, capital over here includes three types of capitals. Okay, capital equals to three types. One is T1, tier 1. Second is T2, tier 2. Okay, I'll write it over here. And third is tier 3. Okay, so remember, while doing the calculations of this for CRAR, we always take T1 and T2 only. T3 is an emergency capital. I'll write it over here. Emergency. Okay, emergency. Got it? Only in case of emergency we take it, and that also for market risk. Okay, what are the three types of risk? Type fast in the comment section. What are the three types of risk in this Basel? Type fast in the comment section. Which are the important three types of risk? You can see it over here also. Say it from here and then type. Let me see how many of you can guess. Yes, the three types of risks are credit, market and ops, right? All these three risks. So this T3 capital is taken in case we face some problem due to market risk, only market risk. Okay, and that also in emergency. Now what is T1? See this. T1 is a free capital, free. Okay, and T2 is a paid capital. Paid means here I have to pay interest or some binding is there on this capital. Okay, like if I take the loan from the bank and start my business, so that is a paid capital. If I use my own money for starting my business, that is a free capital. So T1 is known as going concern. Everyone remember these words, going concern, and T2 is known as gone concern. Okay, so now these are the two types of capitals. So T1 and T2. What is included in T1 mainly? Okay, it is always share capital, shares, paid up capital. Okay, free shares, not preference shares. Okay, share capital, net profit, and reserves and surplus. Reserves. Okay, reserves. Also there are other points. Means from exam point of view I am telling you. From exam point of view, what is the other part which is included in T1? Who can tell me now? Which is the other part which is included in T1? There are three more parts. What are those three parts? Who can tell me? Fast. Yes, we have PNCP, perpetual non-cumulative preference shares. Next, what do you have? You have anyone fast. It is IPDI, correct. Innovative perpetual debt instruments. And last one is revaluation reserves. Okay, revaluation, I'll write it this much. Okay, revaluation reserves. So these are the parts of T1 capital. Very important, everyone please understand this, okay? So now write in the comment section. Revaluation reserves are taken at what? Who can give me the correct figure? Revaluation reserves are taken at what? Everyone fast. Yes, they are taken at 55% discount, okay? They are taken at 55% discount, okay? Remember this. Okay, next, IPDI. Okay, I'll ask this question. Here, it's not related to this case study, but it's related to your paper. Because here, even if I take just T1, T2 and give you the solution for this case study, it's okay. Nobody can question me, isn't it? The point is you must understand certain terms which will be there in the exam. So revaluation reserves are taken at 55% discount. IPDI is taken at what? IPDI is not taken at anything. There is a limit for that. So IPDI should not be more than 15% of T1. 15%. Maximum figure should be 15% of T1. Everyone got it? Now T2 is a paid capital. T2 paid capital means what? All the loans which I take, there are various names to this. I won't write it now. Subordinate debt is there, then provisions and general provisions are there. All these are there, okay? So coming back. So tier 1 capital 1000 crores, tier 2 1200 crores. Now one important part I'll tell you about this tier 1, tier 2, okay? The basic rule behind T1 and T2 is T2, look at this, T2 cannot be greater than, I've cancelled this, greater than T1. Always remember this, T2 can't be greater than T1, okay? Clear? Yeah. Now, once you have understood this, T2 cannot be greater than T1 means what? But what is the figure given over here? T2 is given as 1200 crores and T1 is given as 1000, but it is given as greater. So what will we do? We won't consider this figure now 1200. So for our calculations, give me the figure now. T1, give me both the figures. T1 equals to what and T2 equals to what? T2 equals to what? So for our calculations, we'll take what? T1 equals to 1000 as what is given? 1000 CR. Okay, I won't write CR now. Okay. So T1 is given as 1000, so I'll write it 1000. But what about T2? T2 will be taken as what? 1200 or something else? Type fast in the comment section. Everyone, T2 will be taken as what? Let me see it. How many of you know? It is 1000. I can't take more than T1. Okay. So what is my total capital now? Total capital becomes 2000. I'll write it over here. Total capital becomes equals to 2000 CR. Okay. Now, why have I found this capital? Because the formula for CRAR is what? What is the formula for CRAR? Formula for CRAR equals to capital upon RWA, right? So I have to get this capital, I have to get this RWA. So capital I have got it. So this is the my capital 2000. What about RWA now? See here, RWA always consists of three parts. Okay, RWA equals to RW. I'll just write this: R for credit plus R for market plus R for ops. Okay, these are the three types of RWAs which I have to find out always. Okay, so what is this RWA now for credit? Okay, is it given? Let's see the figures. See, credit risk, RWA for credit risk is given as 15,000 crores. So it's already given RWA. Okay, so it is 15,000 over here. So now I've got this 15,000 crores. But what about this market? Do I have the figure for market? No. So what will I do? I'll have to calculate that. How to calculate this RWA for market? See this, sir. RWA for market equals to, remember this formula, same formula we are using. See here, in this formula if you see CRAR equals to capital upon RWA, I want RWA now for market. So I'll take RWA over here and CRAR over here, right? So give me the formula for this. Say this, CRAR equals to capital upon RWA. Now give me RWA equals to, what is the formula now? What is the formula? Type in the comment section. It is, everyone, exam is just 2 days after, right? Capital upon CRAR. Okay. But what is the figure for CRAR? Do I know this figure? Yes. Standard CRAR figure is always taken as 9%. Okay. 9%. 9% means what? 0.09. That is the meaning of this this CRAR. Okay. So now I want RWA for market. So what is the capital given for market? Is anything given? See this. Capital charge for market risk equals to 600 crores. So capital is given as 600 crores. Okay. So once I have this capital of 600 crores, I'll use the same formula now. So RWA for market equals to 600 upon 0.09, right? So what is the answer now? Give me the answer for this. 600 upon 0.09. Everyone, give me the answer. 600 upon 0.09. What is the answer for that? Yes, it is. Everyone, be fast. It is 666. Correct. 6667. So this is my RM now. What about RO? RWA for operations. What is my RO now? What is the capital given for this operations? 400 crores. Okay. So what will be my formula now? First 400 upon 0.09. So what is my answer now? 400 upon 0.09. Who can give me the answer now? Fast. So for ops it is 400 upon 0.09. It comes down to, everyone type fast. Give me the comment section. Fast. Yes, 4444 something, isn't it? Isn't it? This is what you are getting or no? Is everyone getting the same answer? 4444, right? 400 upon 0.09. So it is, yes, 4444. Everyone is getting that answer, right? Yes, that's what I am seeing in the comment section. So what is the point now? See here, RWA I wanted, credit I am having it, market I'll add it 6667. Okay, and ops I'll add it now 4444. So what is my total figure now? 15,000. Do the calculations. What is my total RWA now? 15,000. I'll add it plus what? 6667 plus 4444, right? You will get somewhat plus or minus here or there figure. That's okay. What is the answer you are getting, everyone? 26,111. This is my total RWA. Got it, everyone? Everyone clear? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood it. Everyone, if you have understood it, type yes in the comment section fast. Got it, everyone? Clear? Move on. Yeah. Now what is the question? So once I have got this, what is my question? Find the calculate the CRAR. But you will say, sir, CRAR we already know. This is standard CRAR. This is not the one which I am having from my banking system over here. So what is my CRAR now? Now calculate this CRAR. CRAR becomes what? What is the capital? 2000 upon what is my RWA? 26,111, right? Into 100. Always multiply this by 100. Okay. So what is my answer now? 2000 upon 26,111. So we get it as what? This into what? 2000, na? 2000. So what is the answer you are getting? 7.6. Are you getting 7.6 over here? 7.65. Everyone is getting this. 7.65. 7.65. This is the answer I am getting. CRAR. Is everyone getting the same answer? Type yes in the comment section. If you are getting the CRAR of 7.65, type yes. Got it? Say this. Find the CRAR. Okay. Total RWA. Now see here. It's not given over here. Total RWA and ideal CRAR. But what will I do? I'll calculate one more CRAR, which is not asked in this question. That is T1 CRAR. Okay. Now this is my total CRAR. Okay. Now first tell me about this total CRAR. What is the figure for standard figure for total CRAR? Type fast in the comment section. What is the standard figure given by RBI for total CRAR? It should be minimum. Just now I told you it should be minimum. Yes, it should be 9%. So what is this happening over here? This bank is having total CRAR of 7.65, means it is having a lesser CRAR. Got it? So now I'll find out T1 CRAR also. Okay, T1 CRAR, Tier 1 CRAR. Okay. So what is T1 CRAR now? So instead of 2000, what will I do? Same formula. Capital upon RW. But what is the capital now? I want T1, so only 1000. So 1000 upon 26 111. If they ask you in exam, find T1 CRAR, then also you should be able to find it out. So what is the answer for this now? T1 CRAR is, just divide that earlier figure by 2, 3.82, isn't it? So that is 3.82%. Everyone got this? It's all, everything is percentages, because you have multiplied by 100. Okay. So T1 CRAR is 3.82. Also this is less, because what is the standard value for T1 CRAR? See here, I'll give you the values. T1 CRAR standard value is 7%. 7. Okay. T1 standard. Okay. Then total CRAR is 9%. Standard total. Okay. So what remains in between 7 and 9? So 2% is T2 CRAR. T2, always remember this. Okay. There are further bifurcations to this T1, means CT1 and AT1. Okay. That will do it someday later, but I'll just give you the reference over here. CT1 is 5.5. Okay. Plus this is 1.5, 81. Okay. So 5.5 plus 1.1, 1.5 is T1. Then we add T2, then we get total. So now what, up to what part we solved? CRAR we have found out, total RWA we have found out. But what is ideal CRAR? Ideal CRAR? No, ideal it should be capital. Okay. What should be the ideal capital? Okay, that should be the question. What should be the ideal capital now? See this. I am having RWA. RWA can't be changed. Here, these are the risk weighted assets with my bank. I can't change this. I can change this because this is in my hand. If the bank wants, it can raise more capital, isn't it? But if the bank wants, it can't reduce this NPS which are already there. Okay. So T1 and T2 can be changed. Okay. Now for that, what we'll do? We'll have to find out what should be the ideal capital. Okay. Now give me the figures. See here. For that ideal capital, again use the same formula. CRAR equals to what? Capital upon RWA. But now what am I having? I am having CRAR and I am having RWA. I want capital now. See here, what are we finding? Ideal capital. So what is my question over here? Capital equals to CRAR into RWA, right? But what is my RWA? I want standard CRAR. So I'll take standard RWA. So that is 9%. Okay. So what should be my standard capital now? Because see this, CRAR. Standard this, so 9% will be over here, and RWA is whatever is given in the question, isn't it? So what will be my capital now? Ideal capital. Ideal capital equals to say this 9% means 0.09 into what was my RWA? Everyone type fast. What was my RWA without saying? Do you remember it? It was yes 26,111, right? So this should be my ideal capital. What, multiply it? So 26,111 26,111 into what? Into 0.09, right? So it becomes what? 2349. So it should be 2349. You can take it 50 also, right? 49. So 2349. This should be my ideal capital. Okay. 26,111. See this. This one was my RWA. Then what is my standard CRAR? 9%. So I'll just multiply it. Okay. Now if I ask you one more question, what should be my ideal? See here, this is new question. T1 capital. So what will you answer me now? Give fast in the comment section. What should be my ideal T1 capital? Everyone be fast. Okay, for that you need what is your ideal T1 CRAR. What is the ideal T1 CRAR? Just now I mentioned it over here. What was that? 7%. So what will I do? 7%. 7% into 26,111. So what is it? Ideal T1 capital is, so it is 26,111 into 0.07, right? T1 I am calculating only 1827. So 1828 I will take it, 0.77 it is, okay? 28. So this is the way we have to calculate this ideal T1, ideal capital, total RWA. This is one, and your final CRAR. Here, this is the present CRAR. This is the ideal CRAR. Okay. So got this case study, everyone. This case study is important, in fact, from your this paper point of view, because in the paper you will be getting such case study. Okay. So now, before leaving, I will tell you about this new batch which is coming up. Okay. See this. BFM has already started. It is for 3 hours. Everyone pay attention. It is for 3 hours. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Okay. And then in the evening it is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. So 3 hours it is. 1 and 2. Daily it is there. Okay. For 6 days. Similarly for retail it will be there. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay. So join this batch ASAP for retail. Okay. Okay. Now one more point about this. How to get the discounts about it. See here, the important part about discounts is, I'll show you. Go to Adda 24/7 live. See this, on Adda 24/7 live. One sec, yeah. We are on Adda over here. See this. Go to Adda 24/7 live. On this, if you are having the app, it's the best. Here I am showing on the website. Download the app. That's why I am saying you will get 1% extra in this. So click on JAIIB CAIIB. Now you will see the November December English batches. Click on this November December English batch. Seen? Once you click over here, you will see these batches. BFM, retail. This is for May. This 23 batches have also started. Be clear about it. We have started this May 23 batches now. So now click on this retail. Okay, I'll show you for retail now, because BFM, this is gone already almost. You can go for this batch also, I would suggest, because why? 2 days are there, and even if you can revise these case studies, it's the best, isn't it? You can clear this exam by immediately within these 2 days. Go for it, I would say. Okay. Then I'll show you about retail. Go for this retail. Click on this. Okay. Read the details. All the details are given over here. Means 10 plus hours of interactive live classes, mocks and ebooks, regular intensive practice, subject wise expertise, 24/7 recorded videos, English medium batches. You can go on, read everything. Okay. And the fees is 3599. But don't pay this fees. Click on view offers. Once you click, put the code Y432. Click on apply. See what is the discount. You are getting 80% off as of now. So 3599 reduces to 719. Go for it immediately. Once you clear this CAIIB, in how many months will you recover this? You will recover this in hardly 1 month, isn't it? Because 1000 is the average increment, isn't it? So go for it right now. Okay. Now I'll tell you about the May 23 portion also. Whatever this May 23 portion is coming up now, this exam, next exam, I'll tell you about that also. See, the new portion in May 23 consists of 4 compulsory papers: ABM, BFM. These are 2 regular ones right now which we have. Then we have ABFM, Advanced Business and Financial Management. And you have legal also, BRBL, Banking Regulation and Business Laws. Okay. So this is again, these are the 2 additional compulsory papers. You will have to give it in May 23. So that's why I would say clear BFM. If you have cleared ABM, clear BFM right now only. Okay. Also remember, you get credits for ABM and BFM in the next year, May 23. Okay. Now about the electives. For May 23, the electives are Rural, HR, IT, Central and Risk. Okay. There is no retail elective over here. Also there is a negative marking for May 23. So why do you go for all these difficult ones? Okay. Use the code Y432. Clear this exam immediately in this session only and enjoy, isn't it? I'll be back.